Today I'm taking a look at the WORKPRO 72 tooth ratchet handle. So there the guy is. That is a 1/4 inch. I do appreciate that they put those lines in there to help hold onto our sockets. There's a nice feeling ratcheting mechanism on it, and that is a push button release that is going to drop that detent down, so that in the event that you need to drop off a socket or pick a new one up, you'll be able to do that one-handed. For me, that's the only style I prefer, just because I quite often have one hand occupied. I need to switch the size of the socket. With this, I can do that easily, whereas with the ones where I got to pop them off, sometimes I got to use 2 hands to make that happen. So this is definitely my preferred style of ratchet. That is, of course, reversible. We do have a small knurled grip right there, so you can kind of know exactly where it is in your hand, so in the event that you're not able to look at it, that is not really going to be a problem. And it does come to a taper there at the end. Nice rounded handle on there, so you don't have to worry about putting too much pressure on your fingers, and you can see the branding right there on the handle. Yeah, that is a very usable ratchet.